Hi, this is Abhijit Khare. I teach physics at ASU's Polytechnic campus, and today we are going to learn how to make a simple slingshot rocket using the basic items that we have over here. Just to let you know that we don't need a rocket science to make a simple slingshot rocket, but we just need to have a basic you can say knowledge of aerodynamics principle to build a rocket. So how to make a rocket, basically what's important is that we need something a sharp pointed object that can fly in the air. So any object which is a flat shape won't go very far, but it has to be a really sharp object. So let's get started with it. What we need to have is some basic items, and I got some step of instructions here, which I'm going to separately put that in a document. So what we need a cap eraser, metal fastener. So we got a cap eraser, which we have over here. Then I need a straw, okay, plastic ruler. I need a rubber band, and I already made this actually launcher, but we need a rubber band. Okay, so any rubber band, a long rubber band is recommended. If you have a small rubber band, we can tie two rubber bands and make it a little longer one. And then we need a masking tape, okay, and a clip, which is metal clip that looks like this, and I'm gonna bend it. So when I make it, so I need a clip for this. And 3x5 inch index cards, which I got over here. I just cut out pieces of those, and you can see that I have cut like 4 of these pieces, and I can use them. Okay. First, I want to make a nose cone. So nose cone is simply, I'll take a straw, and I'm gonna take an eraser. Now it has to be tightly attached. So we don't want to make this too heavy, okay? So this becomes a nose cone. Then I'm going to use a metal. I would be first having these fins. I'm going to add the fins to the rocket. Okay. So so as I have this, this is how I'm going to attach it. Okay. All right, so I got these 4 fins attached to the rocket. Okay, so I got this and the nose cone, and that's now I still have to attach the paper clip to this. Okay, so that will be, I'm gonna hold the clip this way, and I'm gonna bend it so that it looks like this. And then I'm gonna attach it this way, and just have to connect it. Okay. So to make sure that this is tight, okay, and the rocket is ready. Okay, So it has got a nose cone, it has the clip attached, little bent, and a rubber band with a launcher. This is the launcher, and I made a rubber band and a pencil, and I stuck the rubber band, taped it to a pencil like this, and that's how the rocket I made it, and I'm gonna ready to launch it. So I have to put it this way, turn it, and then I'm gonna let it go.